What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Velocity Drive Hub, the place where we bring you the latest and greatest car and motorcycle reviews from around the world. If you're into motorcycles, scooters, and everything on two wheels, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new review. Today, we're checking out one of the most unique and fun motorcycles on the market, the Honda Navi. It's small, lightweight, affordable, and unlike anything else in Honda's lineup. At first glance, it looks like a mini motorcycle, but underneath, it shares plenty of technology with a scooter. So, is the Honda Navi the perfect bike for beginners, city commuters, or just someone looking for a fun weekend ride? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice about the Honda Navi is its design. It has the aggressive styling of a naked street bike, complete with a sporty headlight, exposed frame, compact fuel tank styling, and chunky tires. But don't let the motorcycle look fool you. This machine is actually based on Honda's reliable scooter platform, giving you the best of both worlds. One of the coolest features is the built-in storage compartment where a traditional motorcycle fuel tank would normally be. Instead of carrying a backpack everywhere, you can store small items like gloves, tools, or personal belongings inside the lockable storage box. The actual fuel tank is located underneath the seat. Powering the Honda Navi is a 109 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It produces around 8 horsepower and is paired with Honda's automatic CVT transmission. That means there are no gears to shift and no clutch to operate. Simply twist the throttle and go. This makes the Navi incredibly beginner-friendly and stress-free to ride. Performance isn't about speed here. The Honda Navi is built for urban commuting and short-distance riding. Acceleration feels smooth and predictable, making it easy to ride through busy city streets. Top speed is usually around 50 to 55 miles per hour depending on rider weight and road conditions. So it's not designed for long highway trips. But in the city, it's right at home. One of the biggest advantages is its lightweight construction. Weighing just around 236 pounds, the Navi feels incredibly easy to control. Even first-time riders will quickly gain confidence because the bike never feels intimidating. Parking is effortless, making U-turns as simple, and maneuvering through traffic becomes surprisingly easy. When it comes to comfort, Honda has done a nice job. The upright seating position keeps your back relaxed, while the wide handlebars provide excellent control. The seat is comfortable enough for everyday commuting, although taller riders may feel slightly cramped on longer rides due to the compact dimensions. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic forks up front and a single rear shock. The setup is tuned more for comfort than aggressive riding. Small potholes, speed bumps, and rough city roads are absorbed reasonably well, making daily commuting enjoyable. However, don't expect premium sport bike handling because that's simply not what this bike was built for. Braking comes from a drum brake setup at both ends. While some riders may wish for disc brakes, the lightweight design means stopping performance remains predictable during normal riding conditions. Just remember to leave extra braking distance compared to motorcycles equipped with modern disc brakes. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Honda Navi truly shines. Depending on riding style and traffic conditions, many owners report getting well over 90 miles per gallon. That means you can ride for days before needing to refill the tank, making it one of the most affordable motorcycles to own and operate. Maintenance is another strong point. Honda has built a worldwide reputation for reliability, and the Navi continues that tradition. The simple air-cooled engine requires minimal maintenance, replacement parts are generally affordable, and many basic service jobs can even be done at home if you have some mechanical experience. Customization is also becoming increasingly popular among Honda Navi owners. Because of its simple design, riders often add custom exhaust systems, LED lighting, different handlebars, mirrors, graphics, luggage racks, and performance upgrades to make their bike stand out from the crowd. Now let's talk about who should actually buy this motorcycle. If you're a beginner looking for your very first motorcycle, the Honda Navi is an excellent choice. The automatic transmission removes much of the learning curve, allowing new riders to focus on balance, steering, and road awareness rather than clutch control. It's also perfect for college students, urban commuters, RV travelers, and anyone who wants an inexpensive vehicle for short trips around town. This compact size makes parking almost anywhere incredibly easy. However, if you regularly ride on highways, travel long distances, or frequently carry a passenger, you'll probably outgrow the Navi fairly quickly. In that case, a larger motorcycle with more power would be a better investment. Let's go over the pros. The Honda Navi is extremely affordable, incredibly fuel efficient, easy to ride, lightweight, reliable, fun to customize, inexpensive to maintain, and perfect for city riding. It offers motorcycle styling with scooter simplicity, creating a unique riding experience that appeals to a wide range of riders. Now for the cons. The engine lacks highway power, top speed is limited, drum brakes feel outdated compared to modern disc brakes, wind protection is minimal, and taller riders may find the ergonomics slightly cramped during longer rides. Even with those limitations, it's hard to ignore the incredible value Honda delivers. There simply aren't many new motorcycles that combine low ownership costs, Honda reliability, automatic operation, and such a fun personality into one package. So, is the Honda Navi worth buying? Absolutely, if your riding mainly involves city streets, neighborhood roads, and daily commuting. It's one of the easiest motorcycles to own, one of the cheapest to maintain, and one of the most enjoyable beginner-friendly machines available today. It won't win any drag races, but it will put a smile on your face every time you ride it. Thanks for watching this review. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Velocity Drive Hub, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Honda Navi over a traditional scooter? Or would you rather spend more for a bigger motorcycle? Stay safe, ride smart, and I'll see you in the next review.